You've probably heard all the hype around ChatGPT's Deep Research and similar AI tools like Gemini AI's Deep Research. OpenAI introduced its Deep Research sometime in February this year, and the feature has been making waves. ChatGPT Deep Research is available with the Plus plan at $20 a month, which gives you 10 full deep research queries and 15 lightweight ones. Or you can go for the Pro plan at $200 a month, which gives you up to 120 deep research queries. Many, including myself, think it is perfect for students or researchers who need serious academic support. However, is it worth it for $200? Well, ChatGPT can cut your research time in half and still produce top-tier work. No need for long searching on the internet, combining different Boolean operators, and getting relevant articles that are behind paywalls. Sounds too good to be true? Let's look into the details and see if ChatGPT's Deep Research can revolutionize the way we do deep research, especially for students and researchers. Write human-level academic text, which is also free from plagiarism. Summarize complex and long academic papers quickly, and even generate correct APA MLA format from verified sources. I will begin with ChatGPT's Deep Research ability to conduct high-quality academic research. Most students struggle to find credible sources. I tried Deep Research a couple of times. During one of my uses, I asked this game-changing AI to write a critical literature review on cybersecurity in the healthcare sector, focusing on both the UK and the US. I asked it to make the review well-researched and balanced, drawing on credible academic sources, peer-reviewed journal articles, policy documents, and case studies. I wanted the paper to be critical, so I asked ChatGPT to critically analyze the evidence, identifying both strengths and limitations in the studies cited. I asked it to highlight debates in the literature, conflicting viewpoints, and gaps that need further research. It was to structure the review using certain subheadings, blah, blah, blah. I love that ChatGPT always asks more questions to clarify what you truly want, such as word count length, in-text citations, and many other relevant stuffs. It took about 8 minutes for ChatGPT to generate this. The content generated by ChatGPT Deep Research was thorough and well-structured. It combines real-world data, such as the NHS's £5.9 million loss from WannaCry 2017, and also includes insights from peer-reviewed studies that will impress any lecturer. That is, assuming you wrote it yourself. ChatGPT did not just present facts, it critically examined systemic issues and more. I verified all sources, and yes, the facts were accurate. I was truly impressed with how this AI can support detailed, evidence-based academic writing with critical analysis and thematic depth. Guess what? ChatGPT's Deep Research generates undetectable content. It writes like a human. Yes! I discovered this accidentally. I was looking for several free AI detectors and compared them to Turnitin. You may watch the video directly after this one on my channel. So I took one research paper written by ChatGPT's Deep Research. I intended to use it as our example file for control, but when I checked it on Turnitin, I saw that the plagiarism level was 2%, and the AI score was 0%. I was surprised. From experience, I can tell you that Turnitin and other detectors can tell if a text was made by AI. So I wrote 2 distinct ChatGPT Deep Research articles with different questions, titles, and accounts. This is what I found. Their plagiarism levels were incredibly low, 2% and 7%. And their AI scores on Turnitin were both 0%. I also evaluated them for Originality AI, which we all know is a very important AI detector. and it said they were 100% likely to be original. I was curious. So I performed further investigation to figure out why AI detectors don't identify ChatGPT's deep research. You can see the details in one of my videos suggested below. Now, let us look at ChatGPT's deep research ability to summarize complex texts instantly. Students, and even researchers like me, often can't process long academic papers quickly. I find it very boring to read long academic papers. Look at this. I asked ChatGPT to summarize the key arguments and findings from this article. It also prompted it to highlight main points and counter-arguments in simple terms. You can do this for multiple papers in one prompt, by the way. As usual, ChatGPT's deep research had to clarify some stuff, including the intended use and length of the summary. Oh my God, ChatGPT mixed it up. The article I asked to summarize was on e-recruitment and the benefits of organizational web appeal. But ChatGPT generated summaries from my previous chat on cybersecurity in the healthcare sector. I was not using the $200 deep research. It is possible that such mistakes will not arise when you go for Pro plan at $200 a month. However, I opened a new chatbot and asked ChatGPT Deep Research the same question. This time, it was able to generate a solid, descriptive summary of the study, accurately outlining the experimental design, statistical findings, and theoretical framing. But I was not comfortable that it had to constantly cite the source in the summary. Finally, let us look at finding and citing real sources. Let us look at the research output here on cybersecurity. I will just download this PDF quickly to explain something. Now, the sources and in-text citations were good and actually exist. But the reference list was horrible. It does not conform to APA format as it claims to use. Besides, while ChatGPT can produce a research output, it cannot cite sources in the format we need for academic writing, like LaTeX or BibTeX. This means if you're writing a paper, essay, or report that requires proper citation, you'll still need to manually cross-check everything and format it accordingly. If it is free, or if you are using the $20 option a month, it could be good enough as the deep research feature saves time and provides high-quality academic research. But for $200 a month, is it worth the cost if you still need to verify and double-check everything it generates? I don't know. Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Is it worth it? If you want credible sources, cleaner writing, and less stress with essays, OpenAI Deep Research is a serious upgrade, irrespective of its limitation. All right, intellects. It will mean the world to me if you will give this video a like and share. Kindly subscribe for more updates. You can also check my channel membership program to see my unique offers. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you make an informed decision about whether ChatGPT is the right tool for your research needs. Until next time, happy researching.